The benefits of drinking warm lemon water. Why should you begin drinking warm lemon water each morning? If you're not convinced that you should give up your coffee for a mug of warm lemon water, here's a look at the benefits you can enjoy when you make warm lemon water part of your daily routine. Benefit number 1: improves digestion. The combination of lemon juice and warm water improves digestion. The lemon water also helps to stimulate your digestive system, encouraging the liver to produce bile, which is needed for digestion. You may also notice that you have fewer problems with bloating, gas, and heartburn when you drink warm lemon water daily. Most people notice that they no longer have problems with constipation as well. Benefit number 2: gives your immune system a boost. The high amount of vitamin C in the lemon juice helps to give your immune system a boost. Saponins, found in lemons, have antimicrobial properties that may help prevent colds and the flu. Benefit number 3: flushes away toxins. Lemon juice is a mild diuretic, and the combination of lemon juice and warm water helps the body flush away toxins and waste. The citric acid found in lemons helps to maximize enzyme function in the body, stimulating the liver and aiding in detoxification. Increasing your water intake by drinking warm lemon water also helps the body flush away toxins more efficiently. Benefit number 4: aids in weight loss. If you want to shed a few pounds, warm lemon water can help. Drinking warm lemon water helps to increase your metabolic rate. It also helps to break down body fat. The pectin fiber in the lemons help to decrease food cravings, making it easier for you to avoid cravings throughout your day. Benefit number 5: reduces inflammation. One of the main causes of inflammation in the body is uric acid. Uric acid often builds up in joints, resulting in inflammation and pain. Lemon water helps to remove uric acid, reducing inflammation through the body. By reducing inflammation, you may notice that you deal with less pain as well. Benefit number 6: improves skin. Drinking water has the power to clear skin, and the addition of the vitamin C from the lemons helps to improve skin too. Vitamin C helps to reduce problems with blemishes while combating free radicals that can cause skin damage and aging. Start drinking warm lemon water each morning and you'll notice a big change in your skin over time. Benefit number 7: balances your body's pH. While lemons taste acidic, when the lemon water enters your body, it has an alkalizing effect. For optimal health, your body should be more alkaline, and drinking warm lemon water daily helps to balance your body's pH so it's more alkaline. This makes it easier for your body to resist sickness and disease.